Yeah, so what's up, guys? Mike Guitar is back with another episode of lesson for today. Okay, right. So for today's lesson, I'm going to show you, how to use your major pentatonic and your minor pentatonic in your soloing. Okay, whenever you're soloing, I want to show you how to use your major pentatonic. So before then, if you know that this is your first time watching my video, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this. All right, guys. If you like the video, you can smash the like button. Okay, if you have any challenges, you can hit it on the comment section. I will give you the reply. All right, guys, so I just want to make this video very simple and clear. Okay, there are some tricks I want to open up to you guys that you don't need to skip any part of this video. Just watch it to the end, okay, so you don't miss any part of it. Okay, the first tricks I'm going to show you there is the connection between the keys and the pentatonic, okay, which is if you play your G major, D major, E minor, and C major, okay. Okay, so what I'm playing there is a G major to the D major, go to the E minor, then a C major. Okay, that is a 1, 5, 6, and the 4. Just like playing, this is the key of G. That is the key of G on the 3rd fret. This is the key of D on the 4th string, okay, and this is the key of C on the 3rd string. This is the key of D on the 3rd string, okay, on the 3rd string. Then the key of E, okay, on the 3rd string also, and we have it here again on the 2nd string. Okay, this is the key of E. So that is the key of E. So I've shown you the key of G, C, D, and E. Okay, now let's see how we can, combine these 4 keys and have a good melody. Okay, and have a good melody. So I want to play this backing track for you to understand, for you to hear, and how I'm going to solo it. Okay. Your 5. Your 6, your 4, 4,